stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oak Grove, or 13 miles west of Dillon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail, and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near, right around 7:40 p.m. Dillon and Floydale around 7:45 p.m. Fort around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include MCLEOD Medical Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.